Do you often suffer from bloating and gas after eating, or feel your joints aren't as flexible lately? Instead of worrying, let me show you how to refresh your body with just a cup of pumpkin seeds and a few cheap kitchen ingredients. Today, we will make pumpkin seed turmeric ginger milk to soothe your stomach, and a special paste from lemon peel and raisins to support flexible joints, heart health, and natural immunity. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below to let me know. To prepare for both recipes today, I have prepared extremely simple ingredients, including 1 cup of fresh pumpkin seeds, raisins, a fresh lemon, turmeric powder, and fresh ginger. Right now, I will proceed with recipe 1, to make pumpkin seed turmeric ginger milk, which helps soothe the stomach, improves digestion, and supports the body's natural deep cleansing from within. First, I put 1 whole cup of pumpkin seeds into a colander. Wash them thoroughly under running water to completely remove any dirt. While washing, here is a fascinating fact. The outer layer of raw pumpkin seeds contains natural enzyme inhibitors. Washing and soaking them wakes up the dormant nutrients and breaks down hard-to-digest phytic acid. This allows your body to maximize the absorption of zinc and magnesium, making it much easier on your digestive system. After that, scoop the pumpkin seeds out and let them drain completely. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin seeds into a separate bowl to save for recipe 2. With the remaining pumpkin seeds in the colander, I pour them into the blender. Speaking of these seeds, Dr. Eric Berg once emphasized,
pumpkin seeds are one of the richest sources of zinc and magnesium, which are essential for boosting immunity, stabilizing blood sugar, and protecting heart health.
Next, I add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the blender. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects the stomach lining and quickly reduces bloating. Next, I take a piece of ginger and break off just a small thumb-sized portion. I wash it thoroughly to remove all the dirt and sand from the outside. Then I use a spoon to scrape off the skin. This trick makes it easier, faster, and saves more ginger flesh than using a knife. Now I slice the ginger into thin pieces. While slicing, you can smell its rich, signature aroma. Ginger is warming, which helps boost blood circulation and instantly soothes stomach cramps. Next, I pour 800 milliliters of filtered water into the blender. If you prefer it warm, you should replace it with warm water around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius to blend directly. This method keeps the milk at a perfect warm temperature without worrying about high heat, destroying precious nutrients. Now I turn on the blender at high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and no grainy bits remain. Blending thoroughly at high speed not only smoothens the texture, but also helps fully release the precious essential oils from ginger, turmeric, and the healthy fats in pumpkin seeds. After that, I pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to filter out the pulp. Using a spoon, I gently press and scrape the pulp, patiently squeezing out every last drop of the rich nut milk. This step requires a little patience, but the reward is absolutely worth it. Look at this. We have gathered a bowl of herbal nut milk that is silky smooth with a natural light greenish yellow tint and incredibly aromatic. I pour the milk into a glass and am ready to enjoy it. I have 2 ways to enjoy this every day. For the first option, I can drink it directly right after straining to fully experience the rustic, original flavor of the ingredients. At this moment, the milk has a rich, creamy, and naturally refreshing taste of pumpkin seeds, perfectly blended with the signature warmth and gentle spiciness of fresh ginger and a subtle hint of turmeric. For the second option, if I want to enhance the flavor and soften the natural sharp taste, I will add 1 teaspoon of raw honey to the glass of milk and stir well before drinking. The honey brings a subtle, deep sweetness, creating a silky and smooth beverage. With every sip, you can feel your throat and chest becoming warm and deeply relaxed. Do you prefer it sweet with honey or original? Comment below to let me know. Don't forget the 2 tablespoons of seeds we saved. Right now, let's turn these remaining seeds into a special paste. Let's jump right into the second recipe now. I put the clean pumpkin seeds from the previous recipe into the blender. Next, I take 3 tablespoons of raisins and soak them in warm water. This helps clean out all the dirt trapped in the wrinkles and removes the glossy oil coating on the surface. Did you know soaking in warm water also plumps up the raisins, softening them to better release their natural sugars when blended? After that, I scoop the raisins out and let them drain. I use a paper towel to pat them completely dry. Then pour them into the blender. Next up is fresh lemon. I place the lemon into a bowl of water and add a spoonful of salt. This helps completely remove dirt and the protective wax coating on the skin. After that, I rinse it well under running water a few times and let it drain completely. Now I place it on a clean cutting board, cut it in half, and use just 1/2. With this half, I slice it into small pieces, keeping the skin intact. Then I use the tip of a small knife to carefully remove every single seed. The lemon peel contains a wealth of precious aromatic essential oils, but if even one small seed is left behind, the mixture will turn bitter and very hard to swallow. Now I add all of these chopped lemon pieces into the blender along with the previous ingredients. I tightly close the lid and start the blender. I blend until the ingredients are finely chopped, sticky, and bound together into a thick, uniform paste. Once the mixture reaches the perfect consistency, I use a clean spoon to scrape it all into a clean, dry glass jar. I take a small spoon and eat exactly 1 teaspoon directly, regularly 3 times a day. Taking a teaspoon of this mixture, my first impression is a truly exciting explosion of flavors. The bright, rich tartness and a slight tingle from the lemon peel essential oil wrap around the sweet, sticky texture of the raisins, mixed with the finely chopped pumpkin seeds that are so fun to eat, both nutty and crunchily textured, leaving a refreshing, cool aftertaste that lingers beautifully in the mouth. This drink and herbal mixture are gentle health support methods you can make at home. However, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have a sensitive stomach, or are under special medical care, always remember to consult a specialist before adding them to your diet. Hopefully, with this detailed guide on these 2 recipes, you will have more great choices to care for your own health. Listening to and loving your body from the little things every day is the key to a vibrant life. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to save and share it with your family and friends. Wishing you all a healthy digestive system, a resilient body, and a spirit full of vitality. Goodbye, and see you again in my next videos.